Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Style and Shine. So guys, today I'm going to review the most affordable the Pond's the vitamin D sheet mask. They have newly launched this sheet mask, and it comes with a 5-pack of combo with totally 15 eggs of moisturizing serum, and it is totally a natural extract. I said it because the most affordable, because if you see most of the sheet masks available in the market, they are quite expensive, but the Pond's which they have launched, it is each sheet mask is for 75 rupees. So this is the best buy, I can say it. And what I liked about is that it comes with a different ranges, and this different ranges they provide you with a like a pack of different kind of vitamins. And as you know how vitamins are beneficial to our skin, so I think. And what another thing which I liked about this are, you can purchase it about your you can purchase it as per your skin types. So you can just give it a try to all the sheet masks, and then you can purchase as per your skin types. So without any further ado, let's dive into this beautiful sheet mask, and let me tell you about in detail about each of the sheet masks, and then I'll tell you about my experience and how to use it. And yeah, and then you can comment in the comment section as you do as always. Yeah guys, so without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So talking about in detail about all this the sheet mask, first let me tell you that in each the sheet mask they have mentioned that it is natural extract from papaya or from avocado or from a coconut. So let me give you the in detail like what each the sheet masks and which skin types can use this sheet mask. So first one in this is like Pond's vitamin D sheet mask. So it brightens your skin. So they say that it is the 100% natural papaya extract. It is alcohol free, it is paraben free, and it is dermatologist tested, and it is 100% biodegradable fabric, and it is vitamin C plus papaya apple extract, and it provides you, after using you will see a clear glowing skin. And they say that is 15x moisturizing serum. So guys, as you know, vitamin C plays a very vital role in our skin improvement. And behind that they have also given instruction about like how vitamin C, that we know that it helps to supplies melanin production to prevent the dark spots, it exfoliate dull skin for brighter skin. And papaya extract, we know that to make the dark spots and acne marks less visible. So guys, you can purchase as per your skin type. So coming to the another sheet mask. So this is Pond's vitamin D sheet mask for hydrating. So again, with 100% natural coconut water, it's alcohol free and paraben free, it is dermatologist tested, and it is 100% biodegradable fabric. It contains vitamin B3 plus coconut water, and after using it, it will give dew, radiant and purified skin. And they have also mentioned over here, it's known to penetrate deeply to hydrate and replenish the skin's natural moisturize factor. Then it's coconut water. They have given like what kind of a benefit that coconut water is. It nourishes and maintains the skin moisture with 5 mineral electrolytes, that is the potassium, sodium, magnesium and phosphorus and calcium. So yeah, so this is the, so guys, all these whatever they have mentioned as per the like different extracts of this the sheet masks, so it's very good. You should give a weekly try, like 5 sheet masks you can use it like from Monday to Friday. So coming to the next, this is the Pond's vitamin D sheet mask for plumping. So with 100% of natural tomato extract, it's alcohol free and paraben free, it is dermatologist tested, it is 100% biodegradable fabric. So it contains vitamin A plus tomato extract for firm and youthful skin. So again the same, it contains vitamin A. So vitamin A, what it does, it antioxidant known to help in skin renewal through regulating epidermal cells growth and deficiency. And tomato extract is known for antioxidants in dense fruit that fights the loss of skin elasticity and maintain the skin smoothness. So this is also one of the best. So if you have if your skin feels such kind of a deficiencies, and you can definitely try without this. The another one is the Pond's Vitamin D sheet mask for detoxifying. So it is also dermatologist tested, it's paraben free, it's suitable for all the skin types, so which is the best part. So it contains the vitamin B6 plus bamboo charcoal. It's for pure detoxifying. So as you can see, the bamboo charcoal known to reach the deep into the pores to help and remove impurities and toxins, and it's mainly help for healthifying your skin, and it also helps to control the oily skin. So this is the best sheet mask. So if you have the oily skin, so guys, you can purchase this and give it a try. So the another one which is there, it is vitamin D sheet for nourishing your skin. So it is from totally 100% natural avocado extract. It's alcohol free, it's paraben free, and it contains vitamin E and for soft and for supple skin. So yeah, so vitamin E, a strong antioxidant known to ease inflammations and protect skin against environmental damage and free radicals. And it's avocado extract, the packed with linoleic acid, that is known to intensely nourish your skin and heal and dry and flaky skin from deep epidermis. So guys, for behind every sheet mask they have given an instruction like how you can use it. So first you need to clean your face and just pat dry. Then you can tear up this pack and remove and unfold the mask carefully and place onto your face. Then adjust the mask around your eyes, nose and mouth to fit you, and let it be on your skin for about 15 minutes. Then what you can do is remove the mask, dab and pat the excess serum into your face. What I do is I keep for more 2 minutes and then I wash my face. And guys, I'll tell you, I have used all the sheet masks and they are very quite good. So all you can also do is like just give it a one try to all the sheet masks and just find out what to which skin types like how which you can purchase all the time as per your skin type. So coming to my experience, like first let me tell you, like I am basically a software engineer. So my entire day is spent in front of a laptop and attending the meetings and so on. So what I do is when I get a free time or when I'm tired, so what I do is like I apply the sheet mask on my the face and I keep it for about 15 minutes and do my work, and once 15 minutes are over then I remove it. So one tip I would like to give you as well, if you want you can follow it or not. So what I do is like I keep the sheet mask in a refrigerator and then I apply it on my face, just a cooling tint to give it, and you just feel a refresh. So that's the only tip which I used after using it. So after using, one of my most favorite is like the pineapple extract. So it gives very it makes my feel very brighter, and yeah, it contains vitamin C, so this is I liked it. And another one which I liked is like the coconut water. So yeah, so these two are one of my favorite sheet masks, and this is the second time I'm purchasing this packet. So yeah, so let me open up for you, like I have already opened up, and let me show you the amount of serum that is had. So guys, as you can see, it contains like a white tissue paper. It's not basically a tissue paper, but it's a very good fabric that it's quite degradable. And as you can see, let me show you the amount of serum that is had. See, it contains a lot of serum, and You need to immediately apply it on your face. So let me open up and show you. Like, you can adjust it and just apply on your face by adjusting on your nose, near your mouth. So yeah guys, so this is how you can adjust it on your face and just apply it and just do your work. It contains a lot of serum into it. So what you can do is that whatever the leftover serum, you can just apply on that the mask and let it be on your face for about a 15 to, or if you want it, for 20 minutes as well. So guys, it's time to say bye, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel because it helps my channel to grow, and I will come up with more such reviews. If you have any suggestions for me to review about it, please do comment in a comment section. And yeah guys, please don't forget to comment as well that which one was your favorite sheet mask among this.